from Tinkercad to Convertio, which converts your images to an STL file, and then Cura, your slicer, which will be able to be sent to your 3D printer, whichever one you're using. Today I'm using my Ender 3. I'm going to select the image that I am going to convert under down. I am going to convert it to an SVG. Click convert. Once it's doing its thing, you download it. It'll be in your download files. Go back to Tinkercad. Create new design. You are going to go to import. Choose file. And you're going to go to the one that you just converted, which is this one. Give it some time. Alright, so you see how it's huge, right? Now, Tinkercad is good for quick jobs or if you're new to 3D printing, alright? I actually use Fusion, but since this is just a quick tutorial, this is here to help out anyone who is new to 3D printing. I am still fairly new to it as well, though I have printed a lot of things for work already. So, alright, so we'll now check the sizing. So that's in millimeters. We'll go down here, change it up to edit grid, go to inches and update grid. Now your sizing is in inches, so that is 5.5 inches, almost 6, or almost 5.6. So we'll just go 5 inches, and the height will go 2.5. Right, there you go. So your logo, I am using a logo for a car club. So one of my buddies in a car club that I used to be in, so I would say I'm still in it, but I haven't had a European car in a long time, so yeah. But yeah. Alright, here's a logo that I am making for a buddy. Pretty nice. The original image is here. Oh, right here. There we go. And here is the 3D printed image. So I'm going to export it as an STL. Alright, so I should have changed the name. So we'll name it to make things easier. Alright. Export again. STL file. There we go. Now you're gonna come into Cura. I already have my 3D printer selected. I have 2. Click here. I'm going to go to downloads. Click here. Now it is sized to how I want it. Again, it is 5 inches long, 2.5 inches high. And if you look here, that is about it. So now you're gonna select slice. That is making the G code. All right, and then you will save it in your flash stick. All right, so it should be a mini one right here, like this. All right, put that in your 3D printer, and we'll head over there. All right, so if you want to preview it, right? So it says it's gonna take 2.5 hours, so that's not bad. Or not 2.5, but 2 hours and 50 minutes. So let's preview this. All right, select the preview. No layers to show. So this is the support area. So you want to see it get made. So let me go back out. All right, so this is how the 3D printer is going to start, just like that. So I got it at an 80% infill. All right, so this is just, you know, showing y'all, and this is how it's gonna fill. So right there, like that. So let me go back, and right here. See that? Pretty neat, huh? All right, let's head over to the. All right, so I went and added in a little hook for your keychain. Pretty nice. Looks good. So that might be a little thin, but see how it comes out. This is just a prototype. I can always change it up, make that ring a little thicker, but all right, I just wanted to show y'all. You're gonna turn on your 3D printer. All right, make sure your memory card is in there. It's right there. All right, now I've already homed it, so it goes to this corner. You're gonna go here, print from TF card, and whenever you named it. So I named it Good Ring. All right, because it's the good ring on the image that I am 3D printing. I made 3 of them, so they all have different names. Click that. Once everything is heated up, that's the extruder, that's the bed, it will start. Here we go. See you in about an hour. Taking shape. Alright, it's done, so let's remove it. Here's the final product. This is at a 20% infill, so I will up this. Other than that, I am going to put a backing behind here. And overall, and then also resize this. So it is a little too big. This is my key. This is the emblem. So stay tuned for the finished product. All right.